Hey, how's everybody doing? It's Alexander Insights back with another scalping recap from this morning. Gonna go over two plays. One is on Amazon and the other is on Broadcom, ticker symbol AVGO. And we got calls on the both of them within the first 30 minutes. We got Jolt's job. Actually, not Jolt's job openings. We do have Jolt's job openings in 15 minutes at 7 a.m. We're gonna get some movement here on the market, but first, let's go over what we did. So you see we actually had this target here on SPY. We go to the daily chart. We see that we have this target here. It's also a resistance. It's red because it's a resistance, but it's actually a target too at the top of this candle on Thursday. So we saw that price opened up and immediately went to that target. There wasn't an opportunity to trade it. We saw that we were looking to trade it though. We wanted only up plays. I have here written down in my notes: SPY up, IWM up, Microsoft up, Amazon, Meta, Broadcom all up. We weren't looking for downside plays today. Even if price was heading down, I didn't see any plays. I just wouldn't have played it. So we were only looking for calls today. So we saw that SPY went up, already hit that on the first candle, but I was looking for my first play. I was looking through Amazon. So Amazon, same deal. We had this target right here from the daily chart, and I found my entry on the minute chart. So price opened up at 6:30. We went up. We were pretty close to the target, but we didn't hit it. So once we started coming down right here, you see how we came down? I had this entry point right here. So once this broke, I knew it was going to go right up and hit that take profit point really fast. And it did it in one candle. It came back down, broke my my entry point, went right up, and I took profit right here. And then what happened after that? Boom, right back down. Really did nothing. Stalled today. So that was a pretty simple play. And then we go on to AVGO. I just played this one. We had to wait a little bit. So you see how AVGO, we go to the daily frame, got my target right here. It's actually all-time highs. So I was aiming for all-time highs on Broadcom. And we go to the minute chart so I could find a entry, right? So price stalled the first like 10 minutes right here. All I was looking for is for these highs to break so I could take it to that take profit point and get out of there. So that's exactly what I did. I waited until I got a good entry point. When we were down here, okay, I said, all right, if this level right here breaks, I know that we're going to go up and we're going to hit this point. And that's exactly what happened. So I was waiting, and on this candle here, I'm like, we broke this point, so I got calls right here. As soon as we broke it, boom, get calls. Went right up to the take profit point, actually hit it exactly, and then I exited the play actually. So a little small profit again, but that's all we were looking for really. We were only looking for calls. And what happened right after? It came right back down. So if I would have held it for more push, I would have just broke even probably. So always taking profit fast, locking in those profits because price wasn't really moving the direction we wanted to. It did, but it happened, really fast in the first minute of the market being open, and that's not really what I'm looking for. So, yeah, was patient on AVGO, waited for a good entry point. When one set up, I was like, okay, when this breaks, it's gonna take us up here, and it's exactly what happened. So that's pretty much it. My plays on AVGO and my play on Amazon this morning. You look at what the S&P 500 is doing. Yep, it's tapped that target and that's resistance 3 times. It hasn't really want to break that resistance. This resistance is pretty strong. But when we do break this resistance, we're going to be headed up probably to the 605s, and if we break a 605, I mean, our next resistance is 611.50, and after that, we're at all-time highs again. So, not really wanting to bet against the S&P 500 right now, but this resistance is strong. It's holding, not letting price really go above it so far, but, I'm not really a swing trader. I'm not going to be predicting price movements over the rest of the day. I'm just trying to get my scalps in, my high probable plays, keep that consistent, and keep going with that. So if you like this video, make sure you give a like, subscribe, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.